Hi, I'm Donna Compton, and this year, Play Better Bridge is celebrating 10 years of engaging your brain. To mark this occasion, we have launched a new Play Better Bridge loyalty program. All students of Bridge are invited to join, and it's free. To get started, visit our homepage at www.playbetterbridge.com and click on the Play Better Bridge Members tab. Click on Join the Loyalty Program and join for free now. Submit your information by clicking on the Submit button, and you will receive a welcome email explaining how the program works. On the same page, you can see the benefits of joining and ways to earn loyalty points. While you're waiting for your membership to process, you may view the calendar. And here you'll find the morning breakfast club themes and ways to earn those loyalty points. Once you're a member, you may also view the Breakfast Club members page, which has lots of fun information, a Breakfast Club partnership request, and videos to watch, handouts to take your game to the next level. One of our favorites is Breakfast Club Mars Sheet. And we have bridge pattern puzzles and also a partnership questionnaire there. Other pages are coming, and they will be viewed once you are a member. Finally, I'd like to invite you to join us for our weekday Breakfast Club mini lesson. It's free, and it's from 9:45 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Central Time. You can find that link on the Play Better Bridge homepage by scrolling down to the middle and clicking on Check It Out. I hope you'll join us in celebrating our 10th anniversary of engaging your brain by joining the new Play Better Bridge program. I'm Donna Compton, and I'll see you online.